Hi there, my name is Sahil Singh, and in this video, we are going to analyze the markets, right? That what can happen in the market in one day, right? Because today is Saturday and the markets are closed, right? So let us start. So first, let us look at the analysis that I did yesterday, right? So yesterday for the Euro USD, I've told you to attack this buy side and then kind of attack this one way here, right? But the market didn't. The market just cleared out this buy side over here and it just fell short, right? And it's okay because, like, see, our main terminus where the market should go and hammer is this level right over here, right? I got this level from a monthly time frame, but if the but like, is it even like possible or is it even suitable for the market to just keep going up and have no retracement at all? No, right. So that's why it's like, okay, that the market showed a bit more retracement, but our initial bias is actually this level right over here, right? So when will the market move there, right? Can see that the market right now is in a breaker, right? It's a down candle up. It's an order block. Sorry, the market right now. It's in an order block. Plus it's also a breaker right over here. Right? Plus it's also weak. 2 to 3 PD rays are supporting us, right? Now what I want in the market is that if the market fell short, then probably it will just attack all these levels this week over here, right? But if the market move up and go above the CB, right, then I could be sure that the market will go up and attack this buy side. First target would be surely this buy side and try to aim for this one and this one, right? So you can see that in Eurusd how I'm actually I don't have a clear cut opinion like where the market will be going or what should you be doing, right? So in that case is what you should do is that you should just stick to the short time frame, right? The minute time frame. Just trade in the minute charts, right? Now you can see here that the way the market has behaved from let me just change it into the New York time frame. The way the market has behaved from 22:30 to 6:45 a.m. right? So from like 10:30 to 6 and 7, the market has done something like this. Like this is very rubbish market. It's HRLR run, right? It's a high resistance run, and you can never trade here, right? If you will just open your say if I just kind of make a channel between them and try to zoom here, right? I'll just show you one thing, right? So between these actually time zone, the market has behaved so badly. Now I can see that if I just go to lower time frame, can anyone trade here, right? Suppose you actually sold over here, right? So suppose you sold over here, bang, stop loss got hit. Sold over here, bang, stop loss got hit. So now what you should do here is that you should always and always take the prior swing, right? This one, and wait for the market to move upwards, right? Above the equilibrium level, right? And then try to sell short there. Take this swing, wait for the market to move in the above level, premium level, and sell short there, right? This is actually what you should be doing here, right? So yeah, so that is it. And you can see that like I don't have a clear cut opinion where the market will be going at, right? So in that cases, you should just aim or stick to the short time frame, right? Short, I like this busy a lot, right? So what I want here is that I want the market to just poke, like just give a wick downwards and attack the consequent pushment of this busy, right? And clear out these two lows, right? And you don't need to be having a big bias, right? You can just open your 1 minute chart and do this thing, right? Find a setup in which this PC can easily be targeted, right? That is what you should be doing when you have a when you have HRLR run, right? Now let us look at the chart for the USDJPY, right? So USDJPY, our bias was correct, right? We actually won in this market, but we actually lost in this market. So the net profit, so the net is that we are actually profitable, right? Because our target is more than our stop loss, right? Plus we also we got our partial after clearing out this buy side, right? So for the USD chart, you can see that the market moved downwards and attacked this support. This is a CB, right? It has attacked the gradients of this CB. Now what I want here is that you can see that in the weekly time frame we're actually bearish, right? We're actually bearish. Let me just go in the monthly time frame. Monthly, we're actually bearish here. We are absolutely a lot bearish, right? So what I want here is that I want the market to actually find some support in the gradients of this CB, right? This CB right over here. I want the market to find some, so you can say the support over these gradients here. I just go to the lower time frame and you can see that the market has respected these gradients a lot, right? So you should be attacking these gradients, right? But do not just sell short right over here because it is like it's not a good thing. Like you should be having a right, like like you have your goal, you have the target, but the procedure, the timing, it should be like to the deck, right? It should be very precise, right? So when you should be selling here is that um actually this wick here, this wick here, I like this wick a lot, right? So if by chance the market move above this level, right, above this level, then it can move up and attack this CB. But you can just sell short here and have your stop loss just over here and try to aim for these levels here, right? First, try to aim for this down candle, right? This is an order block, a kind of an order block. And just aim for this one here, right? And if by chance the market move up, right, then try to attack this CB and this CB, right, over here, right? So this is for the USDJPY. And let us take a look at the gold chart, right? The XAUUSD chart. So for the XAUUSD, it's an easy move, right? So what you should be doing here is that you should be attacking the, so in your USD, my one and only, so you can say the one and only tip for you is that just stick to the higher time frame, right? Because you can see the thing the market has done right now, it has killed a lot of trader in this time frame, right? What is this? This is a time distortion, right? The market is doing what? Nothing. Right? The market is just missing here and here and here. Like it's not moving. Like is there anyone alive on this earth who can actually trade in this zone, right? No. Finally, the market break here when um in the starting and like in the 50 macro, the market just broke downwards, right? So it's a easy bias, and so like one and only tip for you is that just just trade in a smaller time frame. Just don't have a big time frame opinions, right? If you have got a partial, then you can just move your stop loss to the break even and try to attack the levels of the higher time frame, right? But initially just stick to the short time frame, right? So here we have this level here, we have these levels here, right? These are lows, right? And look how relative are they, right? This low is relatively low to this one, right? These are relatively low, right? Then our easy target should be that we should be attacking these levels, but you should be having one thing, right? That is speed, right? So the market has given you a big candle here, the big down candle. So what you should be doing is that wait for the market to move upwards and try to move above the premium area, above the equilibrium area. Then try to sell short there, have stop loss this right over here, above this, all this consolidation, all this time distortion, because it act as a resistance, or it act as a mechanism for our stop losses, right? You can just move your stop loss right over here and try to attack these levels, right? So you can see that for the XAUSD, I don't have a big time frame bias. I don't have a daily. I don't have a monthly, weekly bias, right? In that case, they should be like sticking to the short little bread and butter setups, right? That is what I should be saying, right? So this is for the markets, right? I hope you like the analysis, right? And And yeah, and please subscribe to my channel, and you can just join my Discord server, right? So I'll just wait a minute. This is my channel here. I'm making the video in English because majority of the people, they are out of India, right? So they don't know Hindi. That's why I'm just making a video in English so that they can also like understand, because Indians understand English, and American they understand English. So English is like a good language for communication, because I'm lazy to record the video twice, thrice, right? So yeah, this is how server can just join the server, and we have 24 members right now. Thank you.